Hi guys, on today's video I will show you an easy peasy way to make drinkable yogurt at home using dry milk and without boiling the milk at all. So keep watching. Into a container, pour in 5 cups of hot water, and by hot water I mean water at 150 degrees Fahrenheit. It should not be boiling water, but it should be close to boiling water. After pouring the water, add 2 cups of dry milk. Then mix the milk and the water together. Ensure that everything is completely dissolved because you don't want rough yogurt. We want a very smooth yogurt. After dissolving the milk and the water, add in 3 tablespoons of yogurt with live and active culture. This is easy to find. Just buy plain yogurt and look at the ingredients and ensure that it states that it has live and active culture. Just add 3 tablespoons to this dissolved milk and mix it together again. And just because I want to make sure that everything is completely mixed and dissolved, I used my hand blender and I mixed it together more, which you can achieve using a spoon or a spatula. After that, cover the milk and keep in a warm place to ferment for at least 10 hours. This was after 24 hours of leaving this milk in a warm place to ferment, and this is how it looks now. Remember, this is drinkable yogurt. We don't want it too thick. If you want very thick yogurt, make sure to click on this link here to watch how to make very thick yogurt. But this one here is drinkable yogurt. So the next thing is to add our vanilla extract. I added 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract and I mixed it together. You can also add sugar or honey or whatever sweetener you prefer. But remember, if you need some for your next batch of yogurt, make sure you bring it out before you add sweetener or any flavor at all. This yogurt can stay for more than a week in your fridge. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It is very easy. It is not difficult at all. I hope you try it out and let me know in the comment section how it turns out. Please share this video to your friends and your families, and please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Also check out my other videos. I'm sure you will find them interesting as well. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next one.